Part 145. Part 145 officially has no title, but contains the requirements for maintenance organizations. Maintenance organizations get their approval from the National Aviation Authorities. Regarding personnel, there is, for example, this requirement: the availability of all necessary resources to accomplish maintenance in accordance with the organization approval must be ensured. The organization shall establish and control the competence of personnel. This is not only the competence of licensed staff, rather the competence of practically all staff must be assured. There is another rule of special interest. A certificate of release to service shall be issued at the completion of any maintenance. After maintenance, no aircraft may be operated without a release to service, and no component must be installed without. These certificates of release to service must be given on behalf of the approved maintenance organization by staff authorized as certifying staff.